Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your Canva homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom part of this sidebar and you'll notice your profile icon located there. Go ahead and click on it to access your account options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll find all your account configurations and subscription details. The Settings menu gives you full control over your Canva account, including billing and plan management. Now look for the Payment and Plans section within your settings. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Billing. Click on it to view all your subscription information. This section displays everything related to your current payment method and subscription status. Once you're in the billing area, you'll see your current plan details clearly displayed. This includes important information like your payment due date and the price you're being charged. Take a moment to review this information to confirm you're looking at the right subscription. Next, you'll notice a Cancel Plan button. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Canva will then prompt you to confirm your decision, so click Continue Cancellation when the confirmation window appears. This ensures you're certain about canceling your subscription and prevents accidental cancellations. At this point, Canva might offer you an alternative option. You may see the choice to pause your subscription for 3 months instead of canceling it completely. This can be useful if you're unsure about fully letting go of your Pro features and might want to return soon. However, if you're confident about canceling, simply move forward. To finalize the cancellation, click Cancel Subscription. This is the final step that officially ends your Canva Pro membership. Once you click this, your subscription will be canceled, though you'll typically retain access to Pro features until the end of your current billing period. After canceling, Canva may give you the option to submit feedback explaining why you decided to cancel your subscription. This step is completely optional, but it helps Canva understand user needs better and improve their service. You can choose to provide feedback or simply skip this part. And that's it. Your Canva Pro subscription is now canceled, and you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.